Hi, my name's Kniffin from Cornell University, and you've probably heard the phrase, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. In a new study that we've done, in the journal Leadership Quarterly, we have surprising results where we found that when we presented two samples of people who were self-identified and committed Republicans or Democrats with pictures of well-known and unfamiliar Republicans and Democrats, we found that when it came to rating the physical attractiveness, which you usually think of as a fixed or objective trait, when it came to rating the physical attractiveness of politicians, Republicans rated Republican candidates as more physically attractive than Democrats, and Democrats rated Democrat candidates as more physically attractive than Republicans. And so a good illustration of this is actually from history, where we find Abraham Lincoln, President Lincoln, we all think of as a great president. And if you ask people how physically attractive Lincoln is, most people would say he's physically attractive. But if you look up close and just try to pretend that he's not Abraham Lincoln, try to make him unfamiliar, you'll see that Lincoln has an ugly face. Asymmetrical, warts, wrinkles. Lincoln himself was criticized and made fun of by his opponents when he was a candidate, saying that they just ridiculed his looks, and Lincoln's joking reaction to that was, if I were two-faced, do you think I'd be wearing this one? But we all think of Lincoln as a good president. We all think of Lincoln as a relationship to that as physically attractive. A takeaway for all of this is that we all tend to think of our leaders of one sort or another as more physically attractive than people who aren't our leaders. And as it relates to elections, upcoming election season, an important, useful takeaway is that if you're a committed member of one or another political party, that you shouldn't let that you have biases probably that influence how you perceive candidates of the other party. And so this research suggests that recommends that you should take a second look at the other candidate because you're probably seeing them through party-colored glasses.